Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add notes on TikTok. So if you also want to add notes on TikTok, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So now TikTok also has the feature to add the notes like Instagram, but in TikTok the notes are called thoughts. So if you also want to add note, it is very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open TikTok application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here once the TikTok application is open, you'll be led to the home interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. At bottom right corner, you'll be able to find the option for profile. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to your profile interface. Over here you'll be able to view your profile. You'll be able to see your following, followers and likes over here. You'll also be able to find the option for edit profile and share profile. Over here at the top of your profile icon you'll be able to find the option for adding the note. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to add the note. Simply type in the note that you want to add. You can also select the theme if you want. Right below the gear icon, you'll be able to find this kind of icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here the background will be changed. Keep tapping until you find the perfect background for yourself. After that, what you have to do is tap on the option Your Story that you can see right over here. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your thought or note will be added. So that is how you add notes on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.